Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Arc Raiders crashing on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can adjust various configurations that might be causing the game to crash. In the settings window, look at the left panel and click on In-Game. This section controls how Steam behaves while you're playing games. Now you'll see an option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside this text, you'll notice a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle this off. The Steam overlay can sometimes interfere with certain games and cause them to crash or perform poorly, so disabling it is often a quick fix worth trying. After you've toggled that off, navigate back to the upper left corner and click on Library. This will take you to your game library where all your installed games are listed. Now, I don't actually have Arc Raiders in my Steam account, but I'm going to show you the next steps anyway. Let's pretend that I have Arc Raiders in my Steam library so you can follow along. In the left panel where your games are listed, right-click on Arc Raiders. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This opens a new window with various settings specific to Arc Raiders. In the left panel of this Properties window, click on Installed Files. Here you'll find tools to manage and verify your game installation. Now click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now check all the game files to make sure nothing is corrupted or missing. This process might take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so be patient while it scans and repairs any issues it finds. Once the verification is complete, try to launch Arc Raiders and see if the crashing problem is resolved. If the game still doesn't work and continues to crash, don't worry, there's another fix you can try. Once again, right-click on Arc Raiders in your library and select Properties. This time, navigate to Launch Options. Below this section, you'll see a text field. In that text field, type -DX11. This command forces the game to run using DirectX 11 instead of the default graphics API, which can resolve compatibility issues that cause crashes. Also, you should update your GPU drivers since driver issues are one of the top causes of Arc Raiders crashes. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can prevent games from running properly, so make sure you download the latest drivers from your graphics card manufacturer's website. And that's it, you've now addressed the most common causes of Arc Raiders crashing on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.